The two main modeling poses used for animated characters are the T pose and the A pose. We began modeling our character with a T pose, but it's easy to convert it to an A pose, including the skeleton using the freeze feature in animation mode. Here's how you do it, step by step. Switch to animation mode. Toggle off auto capture mode. Reset to the modeling pose. Toggle into mirror pose mode. Set the left shoulder joint to the rotation value 0 space 0 space 1 space 0.785. This rotates the arms approximately 45 degrees in radians on the Z-axis. Freeze the pose and that's it, you're done. The transition is complete. If you make no further adjustments to the shoulders in modeling mode, your character will behave identically in animation as it did with a T modeling pose. But now you'll see an A pose in modeling mode and an A pose in animation mode when none of the joints are rotated. One of the things I like about the A pose is how it helps me visualize the character during modeling. It provides a better sense of where the shoulders are and how the character will look with a more natural, typical posture. Plus, I just prefer the aesthetics of an A pose compared to the arm stretch straight out. If you ever need to convert it back to a T pose, just follow the same steps, except set the shoulder joint to the opposite value, 0 space 0 space minus 1 space 0.785.